Introduction. Hey, connect to world pals. Today, let's explore the complex term, helplessness. It's not just about vulnerability. There's more to this word. Let's navigate through the layers of emotion. Meaning. So, helplessness describes a state of being unable to help oneself or others, often accompanied by feelings of frustration, powerlessness, or vulnerability. It's a profound and challenging emotional experience. Usage. Imagine grappling with the sense of helplessness in the face of a difficult situation, or witnessing someone else dealing with their own feelings of helplessness. Examples. Think of the helplessness that can accompany a natural disaster, or the emotional helplessness one might feel when unable to assist a loved one. Pronunciation. And when you say it, it's ʻhɛlpləsnəs, a word that echoes the depth of emotion, right? Different uses. Ever heard of learned helplessness? It's a psychological concept where repeated exposure to uncontrollable events leads to a belief that one is helpless. Conclusion. If the concept of helplessness resonates with your emotions, consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more empathetic word journeys. Stay connected, and until our next exploration, take care.